Hey, my name is Ariel, and I'm from the Pacific Northwest of Washington, which is the Seattle area. I do live north of Seattle, about 45 minutes, and I like to say that I'm about halfway between Seattle and Canada. And it's very green and beautiful here. I live close to the coast. A little about me: I have been married for what will be 2 years next month. It's crazy how fast time flies. Both my husband and I are students, and we are expecting our first child, a baby girl, in July, and it's approaching so quickly. We're both so excited to welcome one of Heavenly Father's children into our homes, and also so nervous as well at times. But we're mostly excited, and it's crazy preparing to become parents. For those of you who already have children, I'm sure you can relate. Both my husband and I served Spanish-speaking missions for the church. He served in the Arcadia, California mission, and I served in the Piura, Peru mission, so in South America. To this day, we continue our service in Spanish work by attending and supporting the local Spanish branch. We're currently in Washington, but we did start our marriage in Provo, and there we attended a Spanish ward. The Spanish language and cultures found within the branches and wards we get to attend are very close to our hearts, and we feel at home and so blessed to have been given the opportunity to learn Spanish and to make that a part of our lives. I do love to be outside, and luckily my husband does too. This picture makes us look like avid backpackers, but we've only done this once. But we do try to go on hikes as often as possible. We live in such a beautiful place, and I really do feel blessed to have the opportunity to observe the beauty God has provided us with in nature. So, as I said, my husband and I are expecting our children, our first child, but we do have nieces and nephews, and here we are with our nephew Sam. We love spending time with them. And I'm looking forward to learning more about the theories to help me better interact with my family members, strengthen my own family, and better serve those around me. I found many of the family classes to aid me in my abilities to interact in a more meaningful way with my loved ones, and I'm hoping that this one will do the same. I love being able to see direct application of the things we study. And maybe a lot of you can relate if you're doing the marriage and family studies. Anyways, I need to wrap this up, but just wanted to say hi, and I'm looking forward to this semester and getting to know all of you. Thanks. Bye.